What up guys, Andres here with Steps for Improvement. Welcome to this video, welcome to a cold February morning. I'm out trying to film some content for you guys, but more importantly, I'm going to be talking about the law of attraction and how you can apply it to your life. And I'm also going to be sharing some examples of how I've applied it to my life. So if that sounds good, make sure to stick around for the explanation of law of attraction. Now, short and simple, what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction simply means that if you really want to attain something, to achieve something, and if you really put your mind and thoughts to it, then you will eventually achieve it or attain it, whatever it is that you want to attain. Now you might be thinking to yourself, well, that explanation of the law of attraction sounds just like complete bullshit, and in the sense that if you just believe that you're gonna attract something or attain something by just having positive thoughts, then it is pretty much bullshit. But the law of attraction does actually work, but in a different way. Like I said, it's pretty damn windy and it's cold as fuck. Like my fingers are freezing, even though I got gloves on. So I'm gonna head back home and I'm gonna continue this video right there. Alright guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna continue the video right here. So like I said, in terms of you just trying to think positively and hoping for the best, then the law of attraction is not going to do you any good. It's not going to really work. But what I do believe works with the law of attraction is you changing your mindset and working more towards your goals and you eventually attaining those goals. So in this sense, you're not just thinking positively, you're actually taking actions that are going to lead to you attaining this thing that you want to attain. Now for an example of how I apply the law of attraction in my life currently is filming these YouTube videos. Like this morning I went out to the city, I tried to film some content for this video to make the content even better, to make my YouTube videos better. You know, I'm trying to make every single video I make a little bit better with something. And I believe that, you know, these actions that I'm taking is eventually going to lead me to A, get more people watching my videos, and B, spread the message that I'm trying to spread here on this channel. If we take another example of law of attraction that I've used in my life in the past, that would be all the self-improvement knowledge that I've pretty much learned and watched YouTube videos, you know, read books about. Not only did I actually read these books, but I also applied it to my life. I've used the knowledge to enhance my dating life, for example, my work life, my workouts, and a lot more else. Now, if you're just gonna sit around on the couch here, you know, just think positive thoughts, then nothing is gonna happen. That law of attraction is not gonna do you shit, and you're not gonna attain your goals. But the law of attraction can be valuable and it can be a good thing because it can change your mindset in the way you think of attaining these goals, where you actually take the action that is necessary to, you know, attain these goals and to climb the ladder, the steps of improvement. I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe because I upload new videos every single Friday, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. And with that all out of the way, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.